Wala pa rin bang sulat yung books of accounts mo hanggang ngayon at nagwo-worry ka na baka ma-tax map at ma-penalty ka ni BIR? Hi everyone, Ed Cervantes here. Gusto mo bang matutunan kung paano magsulat sa cash receipt book, cash disbursement book, general journal, and general ledger? Gusto mo rin bang matutunan kung paano gumawa ng financial statement kahit wala kang accounting background? I am inviting you to my 3-day bookkeeping tutorial and financial statement preparation workshop on August 23, 24, and 25, 6 p.m. Para to sa mga naka-non-VAT na online sellers, whether 8%, 3% OSD, 3% itemized, or BMBE, pwede ka dito. Kung gusto mong makaiwas sa tax mapping penalties, kung gusto mong makatipid sa pagpapagawa ng financial statement, at kung gusto mong mapalago yung business mo kasi marunong ka nang gumawa ng financial statement, this 3-day bookkeeping and financial statement workshop is for you. Sa lahat ng magre-register from August 19 hanggang August 21, magbibigay ako ng 50% early bird discount para sa inyo. All you need to do is to join my group, Easy Tax PH, Tax and Business Community for Online Sellers. Tapos hanapin mo yung post ko na to, Bookkeeping Tutorial and Financial Statement Preparation Workshop. Nandyan yung complete details kung paano mag-register. Now, kung meron kang question, you can comment them below and I hope yumaman po tayong lahat.